Arabic language has not changed. The grammar remains the same. The dictionaries are the same. Now, when you say that he was not crucified, means he never was even attempted to be crucified. Now, if you have said tawbah to the previous view, now tell us what the new view is. If he was not crucified, who was the man who was crucified? Where did Jesus disappear? If he didn't go to heaven, where he disappeared, what happened to him? The end of such a prophet has become so obscured, and you think the Holy Quran doesn't speak anything about it? And what about the second verse? If he is still alive, only then this verse is right, according to you, that all Ahl Kitab would have believed in him. So they have not believed in him, and according to you, he must continue to live if the Quran is right. So now to prove yourself to be right in rejecting Masih Maud, you are daring to practically declare that the Quran was wrong. You understand the point? It's a very, very, very serious crime they are committing. It's not just, okay, doesn't make any difference. Now I turn back to the verse last quoted by me. وَإِن مِّنْ أَهْلِ الْكِتَابِ إِلَّا لَيُؤْمِنَنَّ بِهِ قَبْلَ مَوْتِهِ وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ يَكُونُ عَلَيْهِمْ شَهِيدًا. Now this verse is interpreted by them, as I told you earlier, that all the people of Ahl Kitab, without exception, each person among them, would one day believe in Jesus Christ before he dies. So they say this is the clear meaning, it cannot be interpreted otherwise, which means that Jesus will not die until this happens. And when he returns, when they see him again, then they will all believe in him. And no Ahl Kitab would be left who will reject Jesus Christ. Only and then only will he die later on. Now, this is the scenario. Now I turn to the last bit of this verse. وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ يَكُونُ عَلَيْهِمْ شَهِيدًا. Why will he not be shaheed upon them in this world? They have believed in him in this world, according to them. Each one has rejected his old belief and accepted Jesus as the true prophet of God. And yet, the Holy Quran says he will bear witness to them in Yawm al-Qiyamah, not in this world. But that is not all. The problem is that if you believe that all of them got converted to whom? To Jesus Christ, Christianity. Then what about this verse of the Holy Quran, which says, وَإِذْ قَالَ اللَّهُ يَا عِيسَى إِنِّي مُتَوَفِّيكَ وَرَافِعُكَ إِلَيَّ وَمُطَهِّرُكَ مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَجَاعِلُ الَّذِينَ اتَّبَعُوكَ فَوْقَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ. If all of them were to believe in Jesus Christ before his death, which would actually be before the Qiyamah, then who are the people left over, about whom God is saying that till the day of judgment or resurrection or doomsday, whatever way you translate it?
It should be the Muslims.
Those who reject you, those who believe in you, of Ahl Kitab. Ahl Kitab are mentioned. Those among the Ahl Kitab who do not believe in you will be always under the power or inferior to those who believe in you. So if all have believed in him, who are these people who till the day of judgment will continue to reject him? Another verse of the Holy Quran goes overboard. And they don't see this. While it is impossible, it's a scenario which is unthinkable, But now I come to the last point. They say despite this verse, Jesus has died. Despite this verse, nobody can claim that the majority of Ahl Kitab, all of them in fact, have become Christians. Yet, if he dies, doesn't make any difference. Doesn't make any difference to the mullahs, but to the Quran it does.
Yes.
Why don't you see it? According to them, if this is true, then this verse means that Allah Ta'ala told a lie. Na'udhu billah min dhalik. He said, before Jesus' death, all the Ahl Kitab would have become Christians, and they say he let him die, maybe he is dead, despite the fact that this prophecy has not come true. So they can't escape the fate of being false. They try to escape on this side, there is one, spear, impaling them with their falsehood. Try to turn the other way, then another spear impales them to prove that they are wrong. Right?